Hi, my name's Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel. You can contact me via my webpage at www.marieyoungtherapies.co.uk or by email marieyoungtherapies@gmail.com. Today is day 6 of Love Not Just for Valentine's Day, and today's focus is going to be nature and animals. So just sit back and relax, make yourself comfortable and focus on your breathing. Just breathing in slowly and releasing your breath slowly. Love of nature. Trees, flowers, plants, shrubs, grass, beautiful colours, the smells, the weather, rain, sun, wind, the changing seasons, spring, summer, autumn, winter, snow, fluffy clouds, blue skies, rainbows, fresh air. What are your favourite things in nature? Is it the trees, the smell or the colours of the flowers and plants? Feeling the grass between your toes, walking barefoot? Is it the different weather? What weather do you like? Do you like the rain, sun? And which is your favourite season? Which do you love? Spring, when everything's coming back to life again? The summer, the warm summer months? Autumn, when all the leaves change colour and fall from the trees? Or winter, with the snow and the cold? What's your favourites? What do you love about nature? I just want you to ponder those thoughts for a while. What is it you love about nature and getting out in nature? Breathing the fresh air, smelling the fresh air. Just close your eyes and imagine that you're out in an outdoor nature scene. It can be a woodland or a park. Just imagine taking your shoes off, feeling the grass between your toes, and just taking all the smells and sounds around you, and the smells, the colours. What do you love about it all? Now, love of animals, love of your pets, wild animals, domestic animals, service animals, birds, fish, whales, dolphins, sharks, the sea creatures. What do you love about animals? Is it having your own pets? Do you like to see the animals in the wild or cooped up in cages in the zoo? Domestic animals, sheep, cows, pigs, service animals. Dogs mainly spring to mind for me for that. Seeing them helping deaf people, blind people, and even veterans now. service dogs for veterans with PTSD. Starting to use them a lot for that now. What's your favourite animal? Just think of all the different animals in the world. Ones around your neighbourhood. Cats, dogs, rabbits, guinea pigs, hamsters, rice, mice, rats, hedgehogs. What wild animals do you have? Foxes, deer, just think about the wild animals in your area. And then there's the wild animals in different countries. Which animals do you love? Or do you love all animals? And in the sea, do you have a favourite type of animal in the sea? Dolphins your favourite? Whales? Sharks? Octopus? Stingray? What are your favourite animals in the sea? And now, I would like you to imagine that you are holding the planet Earth in your hands, just cupping it gently. And I want you to send it love to everything in nature and to all of the animals. Imagine that love streaming forth from your heart, down your arms, into your hands, and into the earth, sending love to all the trees, flowers, plants, shrubs, grass, the changing seasons, and the animals, all the animals in the sea, all the fish, the mammals, crustaceans, all the domestic animals on the earth, all the service animals, all the pets. Just sending love to all of the animals and to all of the earth. And when you're ready, take a nice breath in, breathe out slowly, and open your eyes if you'd had them closed. If you like this video or any of the other videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I do greatly appreciate it. It's the last video tomorrow, and I will be doing some special Valentine's video readings for the different star signs. So I shall speak to you tomorrow.